The second stop, Hawaii. Active volcanoes. Hawaii is one of the states of the United States, composed of the Hawaiian Islands, and is located in Oceania. It has a tropical climate, with a hot season from June to October, and a relatively cool season from December to March. Bella, do you know that Hawaii's islands were formed by volcanic activity?
No. How do you know so much, Peter?
The teacher at Ivyenglish school often takes us to museums for exhibitions. And sometimes we get hands-on experience with activities. Some knowledge and skills are not taught in school.